for this dear Mohammed. The IGP will be the man as I dream to Tima, medium crack. I'm good to class 10 a year and you want bosses. The mammy and Cotom Maluno, co invest in Cotomole. Mammy or Tom video, a Katie on co invest about a most of the beer pay investor, pay investor. I call Tom Kubo or Melco anymore and Coco a investor about Obaco Tom Kubi. I'm good.
Oh, I'm looking for IGP.
Yeah, this IGP.
Really? Oh, yeah. Thank God I found him. My name is Chidera.
Really, Chidera?
Yes.
Chidera from Lagos and Anambra State.
You've been to Lagos?
Yeah, I've been to Nigeria.
Hope you liked it. Yeah.
I love Nigeria. You know what is sweet about Nigeria? After taking you a bath with just small money.
IGP, a friend of mine directed me to you.
Well, okay.
I wish to gain admission into the Polytechnic, and my results are not good. But they say you can help me.
This is the right place you have come, okay? This is the right place you have come. I'm the IGP, Inspector General of Polytechnic. IGP no kasa what's the problem? Me say Afra Kuma unya grade 49. Afra Kuma is all level trainer okay Paul. Me am neko e ono ko unya grade 49 kwa me neko e na wo. Aseme na wo pe. E china manemra fi anwumre. Asuntu age ono bi. So call level 300. E che ko bi. Ono ko unya F9 case with you boy na do ono unya IGP, so I expected your Polytechnic. Yeah. But I'm coming from back now, say, lady, I'll get back to you. IGP. Yeah, I mean, you know my name, IGP. G. Okay. Hi, what am I saying?
I pronounce well. Every day, for me, Chairman Mamusa will hear for me. I'm a 2 din wearing my name power, but no furniture say, what?
IGP, no, can say.
Okay, me person me call you. So my fairly from me person me and if you me na before ni na so ko. Ba ma te won kasa wo ya de. Nti me twem aye ko na che say e bia mo right place nti person me no mi ko na ye he say na be sifa bo am person me call.
No so bana me ye ko. Afra kuma. O so le go train no be am ni ko e ko. O go nya grade 49. Yeah. The only problem why. But the only say you brave. Also obey.
Now worry. Me person you bia go see jail.
You man obey you. Okay, payment. Na obey. No so bonne pounds medua say tete du mienu a. Mesro, also obey fi na etimi eden. Edin komo.
Ti enu me be fi na me so me be fi ari no dem me dem me how bia o ene ma ba me hwejun so bi kwangu.
Really, you can do it for me.
I am the Inspector General of Polytechnic. I have the superior power to
Thank you, sir. I'll be so grateful.
Okay, I will help you, no problem. But at least you know the requirements, okay? You know the requirements. You know you fail exams.
He told me about. He said I'll pay you money.
Yeah, not only the payment, but you know I have to teach you the calendar inside the
But I'm ready to do anything just to gain admission.
Yeah,
into the
you do jiggy
anything.
Like calendar.
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't mind doing it. I don't mind doing it.
Then please. You are the right place, okay?
Thank you so much, sir. I don't mind doing it. Is it today or? Sir, you promise it's going to be a secret between the both of us.
No problem.
I don't want any of my friends to know about this.
You are dealing with the IGP. If you go to Cape Poly now, 89% of the ladies, I put them there.
Wow, then I'm at the right place.
Yeah.
I don't mind doing anything. So long you promise I will secure admission.
You enjoy GGTV, you go to university,
I don't mind.
Bankers, okay? No problem. Oh, yeah, my wife said, they make a show and say, yes, you are passing them. No, can my wife go and say, me IGP. Inspector General of Polytechnic, the OBM said, you man, I'm here, me, so I'm the amount focus on your phone. For me, I'm me yet, the Petutra, make a be near day, and cabin school morning. Many can't just have brand a brady and a choice, a dear bit me away day. No, I. But my room say English tree calendar and the idea this year. Why?
Me ababa at least there was some school kakra on ya and so any class and you and face and say when you remember. But you're disappointing you.
My IGP nipa 89% ma omu school me IGP me. Yes, me bo me same na kasa keke wo. Me see me bo. Actually say me am IGP, Inspector General of Polytechnic. Emma 89% of more poly and me. And I'm doing your home. If you graduate in yet 49, 32, 62.
Me ba ho fio na ho kwan.
Oba han ho. Oba ma be de ba se.
Ma phone is a ho fa.
Na se me anam de me phone me pa na me fa. Ade.
Ade me ho no ana. Oh.
Sika no way. Mfiti buta wo sika ne sika no way.
Ti kwan mu na wo be da me ka.
Enti dian. Ade sika fa ho ne ba bia abaje.
Yen ko fie.
Ya tra 3 years ni maka cho sem pese mi ko school. Me no di hu nkomo nyina awie. Akaska sem. Abagina ye wanim jobri me nya odai. Sika no way.
Nti share mi sika jina na odai welcome. Yen ko fie.
Yen ko fie fa ye dai. Ade na nkope no ofi. Mi sika no way. Makwa ko hu IGP nyina me aka bibia amnasi 3 days time mi ko school.
Ko hu ai
IGP.
IGP me pesa na me dey. Ada why say you me be. Also found my belly store let you know why you do on the house. I remember me saying disappointing you. Now we are more listening to what you do. Maybe IGP what they are born on some pounds made be saying take it to Chia, na me dim komo bi o ba. Say the dwano so aye do huma tintan fidie no so. I say you know, afidie bia be twem ha wi ono so opeke poli akọ. Na wo bi ade we keke poli wi a nti we bre won ase betena kwa ho abeton aduane kwa me nya bi agi. Anwumre yi me yi no so adwuma.
Na so so pesca na ko school.
Hwe. Se aka se ko school aka se ye. Uti fie saa hwi ni utiri. Makwa hu IGP, Inspector General of Polytechnic. Makwa
na IGP a okay, say IGP the Inspector of Police na.
Be ma nu hu hia. E kwa me fa so me ko school na me hwe. Sika ne wey.
Lazy.
Ada ide ase.
IGP.
Hey, what da bia de me so be 3 years ya me no tena ye. Da bia apa cho sa nti wo mo bra, unye ye. Na se wan ye yesu na wu e. Me da me pa ntomo. Na enti de tese mi nyande boy abutre baby 3 years ni munye ye na wa anye ye pa cho me kwa wai nche bia me ko
listen I say Adrisa so ba be na be ke nsu GIP Inspector of Polytechnic o fraud be na say
Doom TV.
Yeah, you do.